Madam MC Charlene. In behalf of the Board of Trustees of the Gorochuki Charity, my ever-dashing Adings, Windy, and Ading Binita, and also in behalf of the board officers, good evening and welcome to each and everyone. A pleasant good evening to each and everyone, and thank you for being with us tonight. We are very pleased to be able to welcome those of you who have been with us for a long time, especially our elders, the founders of the Gorochuki. Dagiti amma, dagiti inna tayo, uncle tayo, kina-auntie tayo, may suda, kinang bukil, kinang rugi, dati makumpuna tayo tatang maawagan ay Gorochuki, which was formerly known as Biba. Thank you as well to our visitors for those first time to attend this special occasion. Thank you for joining us, and later on you will see a very distinctive ethnic performances from our tribe, from the Cordilleras, that we so-called the Tade, the Sayas, and every subgroups. And then I give a big shout out to our subgroups and their representatives. May I give a shout out to the representative from Mountain Province? Anyone from there? Representative from United Kalinga Apayao Network UK. Representative from Binget Organization UK. Let's see. Representative from Ifugao UK organization.
Yay!
And also the joint Timpuyog, Titiran Pas UK and Sagunto group. Dadadyan likod ako, medyo mababenda. And also of course our brothers from the Abra and other Cordilleras, such as the Quirino, nagiti kakadwa tayo, kakabsat tayo, nga taga-Cordillera. So ita ako di mangbukbukil, iti Gorochuki. Yes, once again, Gorochuki has shown its resilience to grow and evolve through the test of time, as it was conceptualized 29 years ago, to be exact, September 17, 1995. It was conceptualized by our Council of Elders. Dagiti adato'y sango tayo, makita tayo, dagiti amma tayo, dagiti inna tayo, uncle, aunties, isuda, iti nakapanuno, nga mangbukal, takon kasta mag-generalize, iti Gorochuki in its generic term, ta ma-include, dagiti kabangibang, na kakapsat tayo mga kaigurutan, na hanlaeng na di ay makungkulang nga limited to Biba. It used to be Biba, and then they changed it to Gorochuki, tapnon mabukal, intiro amin may raman. Their commitments is to promote agricultures and traditions in the UK. Hence, Gorochuki was formed which eventually had gained its charitable status. And of course, we are so happy tonight that despite of everyone's busy schedule from work, you still manage to find time to join us and celebrating this special occasion, the 29th Foundation Day, 29th Foundation Day, iso na rin birthday ni Igor Chukay. Iso nga rin ang makinig na tayo, ubing ka pailay, at ibinugan na natin that was 29 years ago to speak of. And that we all come here, not only to enjoy the presentation, to have a community dance, the Sisuit, the Tadeng, and the Gansa, but also to rekindle our friendship, our togetherness as one Igorot, QK, and as one Cordilleras. Once again, thank you for coming in and welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so